Science never ceases to amaze us. Even she never ceased to amaze us with her excellent ideas. She always created an environment which allowed us students to succeed, be it science, maths, or whatever the student was passionate about. Ma'am Akkama Varghese, her message for us.
Hello everybody, I am Akkama Varghese and I was a teacher in Utmal English Primary School. But I taught after Baljit left. But there are many other teachers who know me. And the best moments or the best times I had in the school was when we had those picnics. All the students from KG1 up to class 4 used to be taken for the day outside somewhere in a park. They used to bring their own food and eat. But when class 5's turn came, all the staff and the students went out somewhere and cooked the food outdoors. That was the highlight of it. The children used to play around the whole day and we used to cook for them, serve them, and after they finished eating, we used to eat. So that food was cooked on wood. We used to carry the wood, carry all the big utensils, and the children used to bring their own plates and glasses. That was a very good time, and it was winter, so there was the season was very good for picnics. No rain, and then the open place. The whole day they are cooped up in the school. So one day after outdoors was very nice for them. After their picnic, we teachers and the whole staff used to go out for picnic, and that was usually on Saturdays when there was no school. We also used to do the same thing. We used to go outdoors, light firewood, and then we all used to sit down and cut vegetables. And Satpal was a very good cook, so he used to be the leader, and we used to help him. And we all cooked and ate, and we used to come back. We never played like the children, but still we used to sit down and relax, and that relaxed atmosphere was very good for us. We used to talk and laugh and have fun the whole day, because from Monday onwards we have to again become teachers, so that relaxation was very good for us. That was the best time of the school. And anyway, the whole year was good only, and annual functions also were very good. Children were very cooperative. They used to take part in dances and dramas and all, and we had fun. Now, all the students whom I taught are all married. They're all having jobs and families. So, my advice to them is, during these COVID-19 pandemic times, be cheerful. Keep at the jobs, or if you're working from home, it's okay, or if you have a job, keep at it. Don't lose your jobs, because these are hard times now we are facing. And take care of your family and be safe. That is what we are also doing. We are all above 60 now, so we are sitting at home and minding our own business, watching TV and sending messages like this. So when Baljit asked me to talk about the school, I thought very hard. Then I thought picnic is the best thing, which I used to enjoy over there. And during recess, how we used to talk and exchange gossips, and I don't know what else, talk about the students. All this was very nice. And since we were living in one colony, we all knew each other. We all knew the students and their parents. So it was a nice time in Kansbal that we had. Now we are in Kerala and we are having a rest. And COVID-19 pandemic means sitting at home. So be careful and be safe, everybody. Thank you.
Terrific, energetic, able, cheerful, hardworking, enthusiastic, remarkable. That's what is a teacher. It takes a big heart to help shape little minds. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge. Life is a story. Make yours the bestseller. Ma'am Achama George always made sure that every student of her made their life story a bestseller. Her message for her students.
Dear friends, this is Achama George greeting all my colleagues on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Let us walk back 20 or more years when we were in Utmal English Primary School, Kansbahar. Whenever I think of Teachers' Day celebration, by the students. I remember a humorous event with living smile. It was an English skit written, acted and directed by the students of class 4. All teachers were sitting in the front rows watching the show. They had bunches of flowers on their laps and colorful cards stuck to the bunches. The play began. In the skit, the master of the house, a very serious person, was ordering his lazy servant to wash the bundle of dirty clothes which was thrown on the floor. While he started his dialogue, it was something like this: "You fool, why haven't you washed the clothes yet?" Sad to say, he forgot to bring the bundle of clothes to the stage. Suddenly, the master of the house, I remember very well, it was Leo Varghese. She disappeared from the stage and we didn't know what was happening. And in a minute, she ran and brought back the bundle and threw it on the floor and finished his dialogue. We all rolled with laughter and enjoyed the show. Thank you.
टीचर अनुपमा श्रीवास्तव, वो हिंदी पढ़ाती थी। उसके साथ जो सीख उन्होंने हमें दिया, जो पहेली और वर्णों का ज्ञान उन्होंने बांटा, आज भी हमारे बोलना और लिखना दोनों को प्रभावित करता है। हम भाग्यशाली थे कि ऐसे अध्यापिका हमें शिक्षा देने के लिए कांसबहाल में थी।
Anupma Srivastava. I joined Utmal English Primary School in 1979 as a Hindi teacher and left in 1989 when my husband got transferred to L&T Calcutta. Kanpal is a small beautiful place surrounded by trees, hillocks and beautiful clean roads. We were enchanted by the place at first visit only. My husband joined the company in the year 1964. We have nostalgic memories of Kanpahar. When I joined Utmal English Primary School, Sister Celine was the principal. Other teachers like Mrs. Kudur, Mrs. Achamma, Mrs. Akamma, Mrs. Sandhu, Mrs. Fernandez, Mr. Mandal were there. Later on, Mrs. D. Gupta, Mrs. Ganga Vishwanathan, Nirmala Swai, B.S. Mohanty, Sister Kanti, Sister Anita, Sister Irene came in. Thereafter, lots of youngsters joined in, like Savita, Surinder, Elizabeth, Satpal, Baljit, Usha Musi, Rao, Geeta Taneja. I still remember everyone's places in the staff room. All the teachers, younger and older, gave respect to each other. We enjoyed being together in the school and helped each other during school functions. One tragedy happened to us when we were there. We lost our son Amit in a boat accident. We will never forget the support and some sympathy showered by Kanpaharites at the time of our profound grief. Everyone stood by us like a family, which lessened our pain to some extent. We will ever be grateful for that. Couple of years back, we visited Kanpahar with my daughter's family. The overwhelming memories crowded our mind. Mr. Raju Roy and Rebecca welcomed us. They were very hospitable. They sent us a car with the driver who took us around Kanpahar We were delighted to see UEPS Montfort School, whose name has changed to DAV School. We visited Mandira Dam, Water Point, Ved Vyas, Gogar Mandir, Bilaigarh Market. We met Baljit and Mrs. Murli Das in Rourkela. Now the world is going through miseries of coronavirus. In these difficult times, it is my appeal to all dear ones to be positive, engage in some fruitful activities. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. This too shall pass. We will overcome the coronavirus and emerge a winner. Jai Hind.
A teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, touches a heart. She has done exactly that. Taught in schools, started her own school. She touched so many lives. Ma'am Anuradha Mani. Her message for all of us.
Hello everyone. This is Anuradha Mani from Chennai, Kansbahan. Yes, my first love. Spent 30 years of my life and the most wonderful one. I came to Kansbahan in 1970 and left Kansbahan in 2000. My experience in Kansbahan is endless. The wonderful people, place, things around taught me a lot of things which are still coming handy and useful to me. My experience in Kansbahan was both good and bad, as I lost my father and a very close friend Satpal, and of course many other dear and near ones. The good ones are I got my husband and 2 sons in Kansbahan, had wonderful time with family and friends. Impossible to mention their names as the list is too long. Club, home parties, picnics, wonderful, cannot forget them. Lot of memorable time, cannot zero down to any one. Yes, as a Utmal English Primary School teacher, had a wonderful time. That time the staff room used to be full of life. Learned lot of things from aunties and the friends and colleagues. Teaching used to be fun. Not to forget the principal, Sister Celine, wonderful person. And all the other sisters too. School annual day, whether cultural or sports, used to be fun. School picnics, excursions. Puri trip was the one we enjoyed the most. After working with Utmal English Primary School, I ventured into opening my own school. It was tough, worked very hard. 99% of the students were tribal. Hearing them speak English was very satisfying. Anyway, could not carry on for long as we had to move to Chennai. My best wishes to all my lovely students. Hope they remember me. Pray for their successful and healthy life. Not much in contact though, but what I understand from WhatsApp and Facebook's messages, most of them are well settled. As my own children, born and brought up in Kansbahan, Suresh, maxillofacial surgeon in Chennai with SIMS Hospital SRM Group, and Krishnan, known as Kichu, in Shanghai. My love to all. and best wishes. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Dear listeners, this program is brought to you by the combined efforts of the Compare team comprising of Tushar Mishra and Moshimi Chakraborty. Technical team comprising Muhammad Ali, TV Sheshan and Nilotpal Kole. And last but not the least, the core admin team. Thank you very much for being with us.